Have you ever been in a conference room or a classroom or any other room when you have a whiteboard and you can't, and someone tries to take a picture but you can't get all the notes on the board, or there's the light is blocking and reflecting onto the board? Well, this is the Smart Kapp. This is a 42-inch diagonal. Essentially, it's like a flip chart. So it's an electronic whiteboard that basically captures your notes and send it to an app in real time, where you can capture certain sections and send it into the app. And then eventually you can send it out to remote participants. Okay, so to connect to the board, we have the Smart Kapp app right here. I'm just going to take off the iPad from the stand. And right over here on the Smart Kapp, there is a QR barcode. I'm going to go ahead and take my app and scan it. It then says connecting. It says connecting right here. And there will be a Bluetooth symbol on the board and a camera symbol that will light up. And the status light, LED light, will be solid green. Okay? So basically you have a pen here. This is a regular Expo dry erase marker. You can use any dry erase marker. And you have an eraser that sticks to the board magnetically. So if I pick a pen, I can write my notes. As you can see, this handwritten dry erase marker that's on this board gets sent right to the app right here. Okay? So, and basically if I erase something, and I want to change it up, make this lowercase, it changes accordingly. So, what does this mean? I'm going to erase all of this, erase my board, and it's erased right now. So I'm going to have an idea. I have my idea. I'm going to send it to my team. They may be in person, or they may be remote. Okay. I might have another team, maybe some students that may help me. And as you can see, my notes here are recorded on the app. Okay, so let's say I want to take a snapshot of this. Okay, let's say I'm going to write up here, this is version 1.0. I want to take this version and I want to save it into the app so I can refer back to it, or I can send it out through email or through a message or through a link to another person. So I'm going to click on this camera icon right here. Click that. And the screen just blinked over here, and I can go right here on the bottom of the screen. There's a number 1. Here's my snapshot, one of one that I just took. Okay, so I can take as many snapshots as I want, and it's recorded into the app. So when I have this snapshot, I can send it out through here to email. I can send it to my camera roll, my pictures on my iPad, a PDF, which I can email out, text it to someone, to my Google Drive, save it to a OneDrive. Wherever you want to save it, it'll be here. Okay, I'm going to go back into my live shots right here. And I'm going to take this off. Here, and I can write version, let's just put 2.0. So I'm going to write 2.0. The month is December, let's just say. And then we have idea 1 done. Are we going to move forward with idea number 2, question mark. Okay, so that gets recorded right over here. I can sign right here, and then I can take a snapshot. It's over here, the snapshot right here, right over here, and I can send it out to someone else, and I can save it. Also, it's saved right now. So in this meeting with the Smart Kapp, you can have up to 250 participants watching your live session in real time. Okay? If they can't watch it in live right now, you can send the notes to them after. So here you can click add a person, so I can connect someone to my meeting. I can just send a link through text message, email, or however you want to send it. And here are some options for a meeting. I can have a dynamic link, I can have a static link, a password. Do you want to set a password to the link so no one else can just come in and interrupt your meeting? And it shows here the viewers you have, and the max you can have is 250. So basically, yeah, so anything you do on the board will change accordingly. So I can change the signature down here. It's gone now. And we can say we want no signature. And then take another snapshot. So basically, if you want to save something and you have your Smart Kapp app on your iPhone, Android, or iPad opened up, you can just take a little picture right here. If you don't have that, you can always put in a flash drive. I don't have one right now, but you can put in a USB flash drive right on the side. Symbol will show up right over here, and you can save whatever's on here onto the flash drive, and it'll be on your little USB stick. Another thing to keep in mind with the Smart Kapp is that if I'm writing, so let me just erase this. If I'm writing, basically there are 4 cameras in the corner of the board. So those cameras see what is writing on the screen, okay? So if a pen, let's say, touches the board, it blocks the camera, which makes ink, which makes digital ink onto the board. That's right here. So if I lean and put my fist here and do a squiggly, it's not going to show up, okay? Because you're blocking the camera view, and I can't write my notes if I'm leaning on the board, okay? You have to let go of the board and just put the pen or the marker onto the board to make your note, okay? So that's the Smart Kapp. This is the 42-inch board. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below and let me know if you need any help setting yours up or if you're interested in buying one. So thank you guys, have a good one.